Even with no subsidy, PhilHealth assured it will be able to provide the benefits its members badly need from them. Meanwhile, a lawmaker warned the public about how and where they get their information from, especially in connection with the approved national budget. PTV's Melales Moras has more.
Walang dapat ikabahala ang ating mga kababayan. Sagot po kayo ng PhilHealth. What we can assure in any case is that PhilHealth management will optimize our resources and will safeguard every peso entrusted to us and make sure it is spent effectively and responsibly.
This was assured by the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation or PhilHealth amid the discussions on their zero subsidy allocation under the proposed 2025 national budget. During today's hearing of the House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, PhilHealth President and Chief Executive Officer Emmanuel Ledesma Jr. emphasized having sufficient funds, assuring an uninterrupted flow in services.
As of October 2024, PhilHealth holds a surplus of 150 billion pesos and a total reserve of 280 billion pesos, complemented by an investment fund nearing 490 billion as of November 2024. These figures clearly demonstrate that PhilHealth is financially robust, well-positioned to sustain operations, and fully capable of addressing the healthcare needs of our 115 million members.
The Department of Health, which oversees PhilHealth, also assured the continued operations of the agency, contrary to criticisms from some sectors.
Maraming pera ang PhilHealth, higit pa sa reserve fund ceiling na pinapayagan ng batas. Inaprubahan ng board kahapon ang mas mataas na benepisyo at isang budget para sa 2025 ng PhilHealth na kumikilala na dapat gumastos ng mas malaki ang PhilHealth para mas maliit ang gagastusin ng mga pamilya.
Congress had earlier received a barrage of criticisms for cutting the budget of certain agencies such as PhilHealth and the Department of Education under the 2025 budget proposal. However, House Deputy Speaker David J.J. Suarez insists,
naniniwala naman ako sa naipasa po nating version for the 2025 budget. The government and the country can be rest assured that the programs, the projects, and the policies to further push the country forward will be implemented well.
House Assistant Majority Leader Jude Asidre also issued this warning.
Be very careful kung kanino kayo nakikinig kasi meron lang talaga na nandyan para manggulo lang.
In an interview, presidential son and House Senior Deputy Majority Leader Sandro Marcos asserted his full support for the positions his father holds on issues on the budget.
The president is my father. I support him in whatever he says and whatever he hopes to achieve.
From PTV Manila, Melales Moras, Balitang Pambansa.